amigos, especially our Bula family. My name is Miss Andrea and this is my daughter Leila. We're so happy to be here today one more time making another video, and I'm going to show you what we have today. We are going to make an orange cake. In this time I have one orange and one clementine because I didn't have more orange. So I have here one orange and one clementine. Do you like orange, Leila? Yeah. Yes. Naranja, right? Dos naranjas. And what else we have here? We have 2 spoons of butter. Okay? You can melt it. What else I have? We are going to use 4 spoons of sugar and 2 cups of flour. Okay, milk 1 cup and 2 eggs, a little bit of salt. Yeah, the eggs. Do you like eggs? Ayuda, un momento por favor. Un momento por favor. Okay, and for this recipe we're going to use the blender. Okay, so first let's put inside. Are you going to help me, Leila? Or you want to go down? Abajo? Okay, Leila wants to go down. And what happened? Are you coming with us? Yes, you want to go up? Okay, Leila changed her mind and now she wants to go up and help us. Okay, so first let me put this away and I'm gonna get this here and put inside my 2 oranges. Okay, well, 1 orange and 1 clementine. It's okay to use it. Remember, wash your hands very well before make the recipe. Okay, and then we're going to add 2 eggs. Leila, you want to help me? Or you are too busy? Are you too busy, Leila? Or you want to help me? Leila's too busy watching the oops. Okay, 1 and 2. And we're gonna blend it, okay? Oh, a little milk. 1 cup of milk. Okay? 1 cup of milk. Leche. Una taza de leche, right, Leila? Leche. Do you like leche, Leila?
Huevos.
And huevo. 2 huevos, 2 huevos, and 1 taza de leche. Okay, I'm gonna move this a little so I get space for this. Okay, we're gonna blend it. Muy bien, Leila, high five, chócala. Muy bien, los números, sí. Ahora we need to use these because remember the orange and the mandarin.